Hi guys, my name is Tom. This is my friend Pinko. How's it going, man? And in this video, I am going to show you how to solve a common type of exercise in algebra. You see, this guy is always smiling. He's always happy. And specifically, we are dealing with the following situation. Imagine we have a point like this, okay? And two airplanes will leave from this point. One will travel to the right at some speed, and one will travel to the left at some other speed. Say that the one traveling to the left has a speed of negative 380 kilometers per hour. And here you want to keep the negative because that indicates you're going left. And the one going to the right is doing 420 kilometers every 1 hour. So before we get into any equations, let's build up our intuition a little so we can understand what's happening more thoroughly. So what we have is the following. After 1 hour has passed, the guy on the left, he has traveled negative 380 kilometers per 1 hour times 1 hour of motion, okay? Cancel the hours, and all that remains is negative 380 kilometers. That's how far he is left of the starting point. The other guy here does 420 kilometers per 1 hour times 1 hour of time. Cancel the hours, those are units, they can be canceled. And all that remains is 420 kilometers. So 1 hour into the motion, or into the journeys of the planes, this guy is 380 to the left, and this guy is 420 to the right, which means that the distance separating them 1 hour into the trip is, one airplane stays here, the other one stays here. Say they left from somewhere over here. This you can take to be your 380 negative. That you can take to be your 420 positive. So when you add these two, what you have is 420 minus a negative 380. These two turn positive. So you have 420 plus 380, which gives 800. So 1 hour into the journey, these two airplanes are 800 kilometers apart. One is going west and the other one east. And now the question is, how much time passes so that they are 2,000 kilometers apart? That's one way of stating the question. The other one is, at what time are they 2,000 kilometers apart? And this is all assuming, of course, that they leave the airport here at 8. 800 kilometers apart, that means at this instant it's 9. 1 hour has passed of time. Now we're going to set up and solve an equation that looks like this. I'll draw a little line here to separate our work. So this is all here just so you can build your intuition a little for what's actually occurring, okay? And the second step of it is this. You will take the distance traveled by the guy going to the right or east, that's 420 kilometers per hour, times t hours. You will add to this, or subtract from it rather, if you want to think of it that way, the negative 380 times t. So it turns into a positive, it turns into an addition, but at first it's not. At first it's subtraction. So you have 420t minus a negative 380t, and this equals 2,000. The time is what we have to find, t. Okay? So the way to do it is as follows. The two negatives, which right now kind of make a smiley face with a nose and closed eyes, that will turn into a plus. So we have 420t plus 380, t equals 2000. Add the 420 and the 380, so you end up again with 800t equals 2000. And now because the operation between 800 and t is multiplication, the inverse is division. So you divide both sides by 800. All that remains on the left is 1t. So I'm going to stick that 1 in. Normally we don't write the 1, but people forget that it's present. So it is present. Okay, it's 1t. And then you've got here 2000 divided by 800. What you can do is cross off the zeros. Like that. And all that remains is 20 over 8, which is the same as 2.5. So this is the time that the two airplanes take to fly so that they are 2,000 kilometers apart. If we begin at 8 o'clock and you add to it 2.5 hours, that will take you to 10:30 as the time at which, starting from 8, the two airplanes are 2,000 kilometers apart. And that is the whole exercise. Thank you for watching and have a great day.